In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend photos together in Adobe Express. We'll keep it simple so you can get a clean, seamless look in just a few minutes. Start by opening Adobe Express, either in a web browser or in the mobile app. Once it loads, create a new design. You can choose a preset size like an Instagram post if you know where your final image will live, or pick a blank canvas and set your own dimensions. Choosing the right canvas at the beginning keeps everything proportionate and avoids extra resizing later. Next, bring your photos into the project. Drag them from your desktop straight onto the canvas, or tap the Add button and select photos to import them from your device or a connected library. After they appear, you'll see each picture as its own object on the canvas. Now it's time to layer and position. Think of layers like a stack of paper. Whatever is on top is what you see first. Drag the second photo over the first so it sits above it. Use the corner handles to resize each image and move them around until they overlap in a way that makes visual sense. You might align horizons, match similar textures, or simply place a portrait over a background. Take a moment to zoom in and check that important details are where you want them. Small adjustments now make the blend look more intentional. Click to select the top photo. With it active, look to the editing panel for photo effects or adjustments. In that area, find the opacity or blend controls. Opacity determines how solid the top image appears. Slide the opacity down slowly and watch the bottom photo begin to show through. A modest reduction often works best, but you control the strength of the blend. Stop when the two images feel connected without losing key details. If you see additional blend options in your version of Express, they'll be located in the same neighborhood, and they can add nuance, but opacity alone usually does the trick. When you're happy with the result, give the composition a final look for edges, alignment, and contrast. Subtle tweaks to positioning or a tiny nudge on the slider can make a big difference. That's all there is to it. Open Adobe Express, start a design, add your photos, place the top one over the bottom, and lower the opacity to blend them together.